Hey, are you an entrepreneur? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Pinterest for your business really quickly and simply. So, Pinterest is an incredible place for any business owner to be working your business. Whether you are a life coach, wellness coach, whether you are an author, a blogger, a vlogger, whether you are in an MLM or literally anything, whether you sell crafts or you sell t-shirts or like the sky is the limit here, whether you sell paintings or like the sky is the limit. If you have a business, you want to be working it on Pinterest. And the number one reason why you want to be working your business on Pinterest is because Pinterest is a search engine. It's just like Google. So it's not social media. So when your target client is searching up things on Google, they actually are getting they're getting your pins. Like Google suggests Pinterest pins to people who are searching things on Google. That doesn't happen on social media. Like your social media posts aren't being pushed out into Google when your target client is searching whatever they're searching. Your social media pins, your social media posts are not getting pushed out. What's getting pushed out are blogs and a lot of Pinterest. So Pinterest is a great place for you to passively attract your ideal client without just, I use this terminology a lot, that like social media posts, you posting on social media is kind of like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping that it sticks, right? Your social media posts, a lot of people that are seeing your social media posts, they're not really interested in what you sell, right? Like they're not really interested in what you sell. They're liking your posts, they're commenting on your posts, but a lot of times, much more percentage of people are not really, looking to buy something from you right that second, right? They're not pre-qualified. It's not that they're looking for what you are, for what you offer and searching for what you offer like Pinterest. They're just there, they're just scrolling their feed, you come up on their feed, they like your post, they comment and all that stuff, right? So it's a lot of energy that goes into these posts that is not exactly converting as much, right? But your target client is on Pinterest searching for what they actually need and are looking for. And because it's a search engine, then they are seeing what they're looking for. And that is exactly what makes Pinterest, and it's passive too, because Pinterest, those pins last a lot longer than social media posts do. Let's say you put up a post and it does well. It's doing well for a few hours. It can do well for maybe 2 or 3 days. And then it's like, okay, you have to post more content to keep up, right? The thing is when on Pinterest, pins can last forever. Pins have a lifetime of, years and years and years. So even years from now, when people type in what they're looking for and you have pins and content and pin descriptions that match what they're looking for, those pins are then going to be recommended to them, which is so incredibly game-changing for your business, right? So that is one of the most biggest reasons why you want to work your business on Pinterest. It's passive, pre-qualified, people are ready to buy. You put yourself out there as an expert so much easier because people are searching for what you offer, and then your pins are coming up and you are giving them value in your content. And all of that put together is the perfect storm for you to be seen as an expert and for them to say, okay, I want to buy this. I want to get their freebie. I want to, follow them or whatever it is that you want them to be for their next step. So that's why Pinterest is so seriously game changing for your business. And I've been teaching entrepreneurs to use Pinterest for the past 4 years, and it has been life-changing for a lot of people to work their business in that way and not have to create all of this content. You can reuse. The thing is that you're already making all of those social media posts and all of that. You can reuse all of that. You can use Pinterest as your funnel to funnel your ideal client to all of that content that you are already creating. So it's not like you have to create, you have to create pins, but it's not like you have to do so much more. It's actually like you are funneling the pre-qualified people to all of that content that you already make all the time anyway. And that is why it is so game changing for so many people's businesses. So, like I said, I have been teaching entrepreneurs how to use Pinterest for their business for 4 years. I have a workbook that tells you exactly how to use Pinterest for your business. So that link to that workbook is in the description below. If you want to learn how to use Pinterest for your business, that is what you need to get. You need to get that workbook. You need to read through it and do everything that I tell you to do on there, and do it consistently, and you will see results on Pinterest. You will see it could be game changing for you as well with your business. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kind of business you have down below. And if you do, click on that link and get my Pinterest workbook. Let me know that you did. Let me know that you got my workbook. Let me know that you're working through it and that you're going to implement all of those tips that I give you in there. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.